It is like 7 a.m. this morning and I'm still in bed. I'm not up yet, and I think it's more of a mental thing because I'm just so exhausted, tired. I think that is what makes is like making me just to be in bed by this time, because I'm just so motivated. I'm so unhappy that my videos are not really doing as I wanted them to do, and I've been posting every single day for the past 2 weeks, and I have 2 weeks left in this month to post. So I'm up because that is not going to be the solution to this problem. Wait, I think I need to plug in my mic. In as much as I want to be real and uncut with you guys, we still need a microphone because you guys still need to hear me. So about 2 weeks ago, it's a little more than 2 weeks now, but about 2 weeks ago, I made the decision to start posting every single day across my social media platforms because I'm trying to be a new content creator. I think I found this new thing that I'm interested in and I really want to work hard at it. But like over that past 2 weeks, it's been hell because it's been a mix of emotions. Let me not lie. There are moments I've been excited. Like the first few weeks, first week was insane. I was so excited. Like there've been moments I've been sad, there've been moments I've been down, there've been moments I've been confused, tired. Look at me, guys. I'm really tired. Like zoom into my face. I am really, really tired. I don't usually look like this. My skin is breaking out. Everything is going badly, all because I want to become a content creator. But I want to continue at this, and I'm sure that I can do it. And if there's anything I know about myself, is that I don't know when to quit. In fact, it's the most cringe thing about me. I am that person who doesn't know when to stop. So get ready for it. So let me get my sketch pad and let's just get into it. Let's figure out a way to strategically leave this place. Sorry for the bad audio. Like, I'm not excused by this. um yeah, so what I was saying essentially a few seconds ago was how my sister said, oh, why don't you just try to grow this thing, let your friends and your family inform them that you're doing this social media thing now, and let them go and subscribe. And I was like, oh no, don't worry, I'm going to do it myself. I want it to build it organically. Now I sound like an idiot because clearly I did not know what I was getting myself into. But we're already in it, so I don't know how we're just going to get out of it. Like, right, we just have to get out of it. Well, here is where I started across platforms. And to be honest, who's even talking about the numbers? And it's really not about the numbers, if I'm being honest. I just want people who enjoy fashion and enjoy art just to see my videos. Is that too much to ask you to? I don't know. If you are a small content creator and you'd like to see the end of this in the next 2 weeks, like I said, the only thing and the only strategy I have in my head is to like double down on what I've been doing, continue to do it, and see what happens after the end of the 30 days. I'm going to keep you guys updated. And if you know you are a pro, or you know somebody that is a pro, or you are a pro level content creator, please, you have to leave a comment under this video so that I know what to do. If you have any tips, any advice, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which is tomorrow. So you are planning to just leave this video like that without hitting subscribe and like on this video that you just watched? After everything that I have said from the beginning, you feel like you should leave this video without subscribing or leaving a like? Please go and click subscribe and like now. I beg.